Hey guys, so this is the first juicer I've actually ever owned, so I wasn't sure what to expect. I chose this one because I did a bunch of research to try to understand the differences of all the types and options out there. And one of the things that I really liked about this one is that it had like the slow press or slow grind. I don't remember the exact term, but it sounds like that particular process does a really good job at getting the most juice out of the actual fruit or vegetable and having the least waste. So that's definitely a huge thing. Then the actual size of the hopper here is pretty large, so you can fit quite a bit of stuff in it. So I got it, took it out of the box and tried it out with my kids, and we just threw all kinds of stuff in here because we wanted to experiment and have some fun with it basically. So I threw stuff in here that I didn't actually think you could juice, like example spinach. I didn't think you could juice spinach, but we threw a bunch of random stuff in here just to try it out, and it just did a really good job at separating the juice parts from the pulp part. And you can see the spigot on one side just kind of spits out all of the fairly dry pulp, and then you have the option of either opening or closing the other chamber, so you can let the juice drip out as it's made, or you can keep it plugged and it will fill up the bottom chamber, and then you can open it at the end. Seems to work just fine to leave it open. I don't think it really does anything different. As the pulp came out, I actually grabbed some of it and tried it to fill it, and it just, obviously there's still some like moisture or juice left in it, but it did a really good job at what I think would be at taking out all of the juice and getting it all over to the juice side or emptying juice spigot. So that was really good. When I actually tried, and I did drink the concoction that we came up with, but when I actually tried it, it didn't have a bunch of pulp and stuff left in it, so it did a really good job at separating everything. One thing that I was concerned about was didn't know how easy it would be to clean, but pretty much every component inside of this thing is dishwasher safe. You can take the whole top half of it off. Obviously you just can't put the motor part, so the bottom base, into the dishwasher, but everything else I kind of gave it a quick rinse and put it inside the dishwasher, took it out, and it was clean. Didn't seem like the dishwasher had any negative effects on the plastic, so I do think the materials that it's made out of are really high quality. So yeah, I mentioned that my kids and I threw a bunch of random stuff in here, so I basically ended up making a salad with fruit in it. So I thought it was going to be like really bad. I didn't expect to like it at all, but I was really surprised when I tried it, and it actually tastes pretty good. I've definitely had worse things that I've eaten trying to be healthy. So definitely a huge bonus is that obviously it's not a toy, but my kids loved using it. So it's something that they would feel confident going and putting fruits and vegetables in to play with and make a healthy drink or whatever. So that's a huge bonus there. I know it's just overall did a really good job, and I'm really happy with it. I think anybody who's looking for a first juicer, or I would say even an improved juicer, definitely go ahead and check this one out because I love it and we're all really happy with it.